Hi, Alma here. These are the Walk Maker from Quikrete. These forms, they're 24 by 24. I got two of them. We're planning on doing all this area here. We started with just dirt and we have done three of them. Just so you know, this is 2 bags of the 90 pounds of Quikrete. So it's basically 1.5. You have enough cement for 1.5 of these molds, and it looks like this. So what I did is, because there's a lot of spaces in between, once I removed the mold, I pushed them because they're kind of hard. So I was able to push them closer together so I don't have big gaps like there. If you can see right there is a big gap right there. And as I got closer here, it's not as big of a gap because I pushed them closer together. Also, it is really hard to mix by hand. So if you want to do a big area, I suggest getting a big mixer. Remove the mold. Just shake it just a tad bit and just pull it up, and that's what you get. And after that, we're gonna fill in the gaps. But we're very, very happy so far. I've never attempted doing this before, so I'm loving it. And with the rest of the mix, I filled in those gaps right there on my own. So it was definitely worth the purchase.